Welcome to Chiang Mai 2025, the place where your transformation begins. Back in February 2024, in the vibrant atmosphere of Bali, students embarked on a transformative journey with the new Code Neuro-Linguistic Programming. They dove deep into mastering this innovative approach. Our previous participants grew through the training and through that consistent Zoom training that we run all year long, building a stronger community and deeper understanding of the new Code Neuro-Linguistic Programming. Now in Chiang Mai 2025, we take this learning and this growth even further. This isn't just any NLP program. For starters, we cover the classical, contemporary, and the new Code Neuro-Linguistic Programming, and most trainers aren't even aware of the differences. All our trainers have been trained by one or more creators of neuro-linguistic programming and have achieved world status for their work. This is your chance for a guaranteed real-life transformation. Like in Bali, you'll experience hands-on training backed up by our hybrid model, ensuring that your growth continues. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform yourself and to grow to the person you're meant to be.